Let's move on to the latest that's coming in on the Hathras violence probe. The UP cops are now investigating the Popular Front of India and its link with the Hathras case. Sources have indicated that PFI funded the Bhim army for caste-based protests. The UP cops have now claimed that Siddiqui Kappan, the journalist among the 4 suspected PFI activists who were arrested, is the editor of a PFI mouthpiece. Sources also suggest that Siddiqui has been secretary of the PFI Shaheen Bagh office. His account details also reveal that huge transactions were made. The probe is on to trace other details from his bank account. The UP police will now seek his remand for further investigation. There's also the link of a mining mafia accused in the sugar mill scam. That's reportedly come to light in funding these violent protests as well. Shivendra Srivastava is joining us with more details on this. So, Shivendra, the UP police, they're sticking to their stand with regards to the arrest of a journalist, saying that he has clear PFI links. There are also question marks now raised over the Bhim Army's presence in Hathras.
See, if we believe on a statement by UP government and administration, this is big revelation and shocking as well, because this person who is associated with like mouthpiece of PFI in Kerala is being arrested, and through him there are lots of information coming in that lots of people and groups are associated with PFI for like spreading rumor and like making unrest in the state. That's what UP CM Yogi Adityanath earlier said as well. So after this arrest, there are a lot more arrests are likely. But till now, the information gathered from this person and other persons as well, they are suggesting that there were funding by like some groups from outside country as well, and they were also associated with NTCA protest in Shaheen Bagh in Delhi, and now in Hathras to make unrest for like to disturb social harmony. They have like distributed money, they have collected funds from other people, and they were instigating people to create ruckus in the area. That is more shocking, and that's what UPCM and administration is saying again and again. And they're also saying that PFI is the group which is already involved with so many other unrest activities in last so many years.
Okay.
That's why they are targeting SFI very deeply, and this information is given to enforcement directorate so that they can learn how funding was done.
Okay.
Money laundering is involved. If that money laundering is involved, who else are involved in this case? So it's going to be very lengthy process to investigate. But till now,
yes,
they have arrested this person, and through him they are getting more and more information.
So the investigation is clearly underway, and we'll track all the updates that come in from the police. Shivendra, thank you for those details.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.